So it's May 27th, 2023, coming to an antique truck show, Cross Orchards in Grand Junction. I'm just getting these little Uinta rail cars. They're pretty friggin' cute. The Uinta Railroad went up between Mac and can't remember if it was Ouray or Bonanza, Utah, back in the, I don't know, 1882s when this was. 81 is when we founded the area. So I just thought these were pretty cool. Little sleeping car. And then I'll head out and get. So this is all the old, more narrow gauge, what you'd consider narrow gauge rail. I'm just gonna check out some graders. Uinta Railroad. I know they had like an old 1907 that our county has, an old road grader. Let's go look at these. Love the old equipment. Yeah, I didn't bring my GoPro, so you're gonna deal with my wobbly phone for today's video. It's all Union Carbide from the uranium mining. An old white truck. I want to say like, I don't know, 1938, 1940. Could be wrong, it might be late 40s. Little Fordson. Solid rubber, 4100 advanced design. This has got a 1962 plate. That's my favorite kind of truck. I even love like the big 1.5 tons, 2.5 ton. But this was all put into a trust like 1980 or 81 or 3, and it's like 28 acres of this. All restored farm all. Might talk to these fellows with the John Deere. This one's for sale. It's a 39 and it's $27.50, and this one's $32.75. That's really not bad for John Deere. There's an old John Deere. I don't know what that is, an M. So here's an old Chevrolet. These are the Orchard trucks. You could actually buy them, I believe, without the cab, but a lot of people cut them down. This is all Chevrolet. You go under the peach and apples trees and stuff. And this valley was big on fruit, and Palisades still is. I don't want to say that's like a, I don't know, a 36 or 39. Big old Super Massey Harris combine, swather, old fire truck. I know the oldest thing at this site's supposed to be like the oldest running truck. It's like a 1917 Model T. Let's see if they're gonna give this kiddo a ride. I'll just get up. Oh, there goes the fire truck. Oh, white truck. Solid tires. He had the toolbox on the running board. A white truck. And the boom on it. Another white. The dump. Oh, what that is, an old Ford or another white. Oh, flatbed. Would have been for hauling something because the roof's got protection. It's an old white. Here's an old International. I want to say late 30s, early 40s. Oh, this old Chevrolet. Now that's like a 39 or 36. That was Weber Freightliner. Palisade to Grand Junction. And then here's an old Fordson with steel. Turn that off real quick. Here's an old Fordson. Check out this big old twin Sea City tractor. Wouldn't want to get run over by that. Old Farmall. What is that? Is that a Ford? Is that an International? Pretty sure that's a Ford. That was from, I'm not sure where. Old dump truck. I once owned like a 43 or something. Traded the bed off to my buddy Mike. And then Quarry Construction, which is now the lake where I fish. This is one of their old Studebaker mixer mobile mix trucks. Look at this. So this one's got like the old, I'm gonna walk around it and then go meet the wife and kid. But what this had for a power unit was like an old 8N, 9N, 4-cylinder Ford engine. I don't know if that's a baler or what, but this is like an old corn sheller. Some wheels. They're getting things fixed up. I would really consider volunteering. See, you got the whole farm deal going on here. This is the stuff that I like. Old stuff. Wagons. Old press. Old cream separator. Old gas pump. Mobile gas. California. The old Tin Lizzie. 1908 to 1927. Oh, these old hit and miss engines and stuff are so cool. Look at all them old cans. Choo choo train. This old girl is a running 1917.
Apparently there were not very many of these made.
No, I don't think there were.
Because this is called a TT.
Wow.
And it's got a worm drive here.
Worm drive instead of a. Check out the rims on this baby. Check out these. I got 5.5 minutes of video, but check out these old pumps. Got the old pumps. And then you got these tiny little tractors right here. That one's even got an implement for like a yard tractor. That's cool. Oh, that's an old shovel. There's a bunch more stuff. Dozer. Richardson Trucking. I believe that's out in Canna Creek. I'm gonna look at these old trucks on the way through, because that's really what we came for, was the little trucks. Oh, this old bump side 71 Ford. Know anybody who needs one? Is for sale for $3,500. Try not to get any actual. Oh, that El Camino's for sale for $28,500. 76 Jeep. I gotta zoom out, but I don't want to get license plates. All 64 International. It's actually not quite as many vehicles this year. I'm here just for the experience. 1917. Military vehicles. High Desert Cycles, that old tow truck. Recovery. That's pretty cool. Cute little 68 Gem camper. A Baja Bug. Homemade teardrops. That one, you can pop that off and have a flatbed. J20. Yeah, see, there's the teardrop door. A little Farmall. Probably finish this video up. My battery's going dead. So another truck came. It's got a 41 plate. This whole Ford panel. I guess that would be a 41 Ford truck. I'll check out where the spare. Now I would own that all day. That'd be a cool camper rig. Add some vintage AC to it. You'd be good to go.